These are the most popular courses in 2024. Trending courses na mag-a-advance sa career mo. One is Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Getting AI and ML certification courses can be life-changing. So this is good for IT workers or kahit hindi IT, mag-aral ka na rin. Two is Data Science and Analytics. Because we are in the disruptive digital age, this is very important, especially sa businesses, kasi they want to see kung effective pa rin ba yung mga programs nila for them to do more advanced planning. Three is cybersecurity. So obviously, ang dami ngayon mga threats and frauds, especially sa securities ng companies and individuals. Four is digital marketing. So maraming branches yung digital marketing. Engine marketing, Google AdWords, website creation and management, affiliate marketing, digital and social media marketing. Five is blockchain and cryptocurrency. So under this, Ethereum and Solidity, blockchain technology, contracts and hyperledgers, neobanking and bank tech, fintech and company analysis. Nano-nosebleed na ba kayo sa sobrang technical? Like and follow.